All sorts of stairs can be generated with Fusion 360, and I enjoy doing it. I now have a large library of different stair types, and it can be elevated and detailed within the Fusion 360 drawing extension. Sometimes I detail it in Fusion 360, sometimes I use a different program. People see my videos on YouTube and ask me for special requests, such as this wooden monobeam stairs, a winder, or a more generous package with multiple floors, sometimes driven by a common configuration file, derive file, and this is a lot more of a generic monobeam stair. But sometimes I put these stairs into SpaceClaim. It's sometimes easier to detail, especially if I'm creating DXF cuts for laser manufacturing. And I'll demonstrate that soon. It's very easy to make shot drawing outputs with this software. And I'll just copy the rendering file from Fusion 360. All right, so here is a nifty stair where the steps are cut into the beam. I'll show you here if I just hide some of the stairs, then you can see the unique construction. This is a very popular style now. It has folded parts inside these running parts that fold, and that is part of the style. Sometimes called New York or Chicago, depending on who's making the stairs. From this model, can generate the AutoCAD and DXF files for each type of part. Not shown here is the AutoCAD output, but this is exactly how it will look. And this can go directly to the machine. A cantilever style of stairs that is suspended directly from the wall can be generated. And with this style of stair and any of the stairs, we can also create a nice bill of materials. Let's zoom into the construction of this stair, which is laser cut with the mortise and tenon style, with the appropriate allowances for the laser kerf, attached directly to the wall. This is a different style of stringer with the running plates folded. There's a bill of material. Let's zoom in here. And here's the output that will be sent to the machine. Excellent. Running plates, everything sized correctly from the 3D model. Just a few more examples to show you. I've done, well, so many of these drawings now. Some require more detail than others. Some want the DXF output to run the machine. Winders and curved stairs are available also. Output will be in PDF, AutoCAD, DXF, and whatever you need.